Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of gingerbread houses. These sweet structures have a story that goes far beyond holiday decorations. We'll explore where the tradition began, how it evolved, and why it still captures our imagination every year. Let's unwrap the past, one delicious detail at a time. Gingerbread is a sweet treat that's especially popular during the winter holidays. It's made from ginger, sugar, and a blend of warm spices, flavors that instantly bring a cozy feeling. But gingerbread isn't just a modern tradition. People have been enjoying it for centuries, going all the way back to ancient times. Today, we're diving into the story and significance of this timeless delight. Gingerbread has a rich history that stretches back thousands of years. It first appeared in ancient Greece and Egypt, where the earliest recipes were recorded. By the Middle Ages, gingerbread had made its way to Europe, quickly becoming a festive favorite. It wasn't just a treat. It played a role in religious ceremonies and special celebrations, adding warmth and spice to meaningful moments. This tradition helped gingerbread become the beloved holiday staple we know today. Let's take a step back to the 15th century, when gingerbread first gained popularity in Germany. Bakers didn't just stop at simple cookies. They began crafting intricate shapes and elaborate decorations. These early gingerbread treats were as much about artistry as they were about flavor. It was the start of a tradition where creativity and craftsmanship came together to make something truly special. We're looking at the origins of gingerbread houses, a tradition that started during the Christmas season. Families were inspired by the Brothers Grimm fairy tale, Hansel and Gretel, where the children discover a house made entirely of candy. This charming story sparked a real-world tradition. The very first gingerbread houses appeared in Germany, back in the 19th century. From there, this sweet custom spread and became a beloved holiday activity around the world. Let's explore a fun fact about gingerbread houses. They actually started in Germany, back in the 19th century. That's when this charming tradition first took shape. So, if you guessed true, you're right. It's a sweet piece of history that's still alive today, especially around the holidays. When it comes to decorating gingerbread houses, creativity really takes center stage. People use all kinds of sweet treats, licorice, chocolate bars, even coconut to mimic snow. Icing, candy, and gumdrops are classic choices that bring these edible homes to life. Each decoration adds personality, making every gingerbread house unique. It's not just about looks, it's about the fun and imagination that go into every detail. Decorating with candy is the best part of building a gingerbread house. It's where creativity really shines. The icing isn't just for flavor, it acts as the glue that holds everything together. To get started, you'll need gingerbread pieces, icing, and of course, plenty of decorations. These three elements come together to create a festive, edible masterpiece that's as fun to build as it is to eat. Let's explore how gingerbread traditions stretch beyond one culture. In Mexico, there's pan de muerto, a sweet bread enjoyed during the Day of the Dead. It's not gingerbread, but it carries deep meaning, symbolizing the circle of life and death. Around the world, many cultures have their own sweet breads and festive traditions that echo this idea. For example, in Sweden, they make pepparkakshus, gingerbread houses that look and feel very familiar to what we know. It's a delicious way to connect across cultures. Holiday displays like these draw crowds and spread festive cheer everywhere they pop up. In many cities, there's even a friendly competition, a race to build the most impressive gingerbread house on the block. And it's not just neighborhood fun. Some events go big, featuring giant gingerbread houses crafted by professional bakers, turning a simple tradition into a true spectacle. These creations capture the spirit of the season in a way that's both sweet and unforgettable. Gingerbread cookies aren't just a holiday treat. Their recipes actually change a lot depending on where you are in the world. Interestingly, gingerbread was once thought to have medicinal powers, believed to aid digestion. And here's a fun fact. The largest gingerbread house ever built was over 2,000 square feet. It's amazing how this simple cookie has such a rich history and global variety. Gingerbread houses aren't just tasty treats. They're a beloved holiday tradition that brings families together year after year. Baking and decorating these sweet creations sparks creativity and teamwork. It's more than just fun. It's a way to connect, share stories, and build memories. This tradition captures the spirit of the season, warmth, joy, and togetherness, all wrapped up in one delicious activity. Let's take a moment to think about this. How does building gingerbread houses with people who matter to us turn into memories we cherish? It's more than just decorating cookies. It's about sharing time, laughter, and creativity. These simple moments become stories we tell again and again, anchoring our holiday traditions in warmth and connection. That's the magic we're exploring here. The real joy of gingerbread houses comes from the creativity and love we pour into each one. It's not just about the finished product, it's about making them together, sharing laughs and stories, and building memories that last long after the holidays. In the end, gingerbread houses are more than a tasty treat. They're a fun, meaningful tradition that brings us closer to the people we care about. Thanks for joining me today. Before we wrap up, think back, have you ever made a gingerbread house? What did it look like? Take a moment to consider what you find most interesting about them. It's a simple question, but it tells us a lot about creativity and tradition. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.